becomes meaningless?
Life appears to be meaningless if you are focused only on yourself. What do I get? What do I want? I want this, or when will I get? If you're focused just on yourself, life appears meaningless. But when you know that you are here to contribute something to people around you, give something to the society, or discover the higher truth, then life is all meaningful. Right? A saturation of pleasure or deprivation of pleasure, both can cause the meaninglessness. But when you take your eyes off that and see what I can do, or who am I, and suddenly you see a fountain of love, joy, all these values naturally start flowing in your life. But it is a good transition period. Yeah.
Guruji, how to revert the passion of violence and alcoholism into non-violence and spirituality?
I would like you to keep this question. You may get many ideas time to time and ask many people. They may also give you many ideas. Implement all of them. Because there's not one medication for this. From many sides we need to see, many possibilities we need to think about it. Yeah? हम कह रहे थे अभी 30 साल 35 साल पहले योग माने सोचते थे कोई एक टांग पर खड़ा है, कोई व्यक्ति पूरे शरीर में भस्म लगा के, इतने बड़े बड़े जेठा, कोई नहाए नहीं, ऐसे व्यक्ति को दिखाते थे। ने आम आदमी योग नहीं कर सकता है। जिसका दिमाग बिगड़ा है वही ये सब भारतीय अध्यात्म में जाएगा। इस तरह की एक धारणा थी पाश्चिमात्य देशों में। हो क्यों? इसका कोई राज्याश्रय नहीं मिला। जब तक राजाश्रय नहीं मिलता है, कोई धर्म, कोई ज्ञान पलप नहीं सकता दुनिया में। तो कई साल तक लोगों में ये जो गलत धारणा है, इसको निकालने में कई साल लग गए। तो हमारे हजारों टीचर्स दुनिया भर में काम करते चले गए। तो इसलिए उन जीवन जीने की कला नाम रखना पड़ा। योग के नाम से तो भ्रम आ जाता। और उन दिनों में थोड़ा ध्यान भी करते थे। सबसे पहले परमहंस योगानंद जी ले गए, उसके बाद महर्षि महेश योगी जी ने बहुत बड़ा योगदान दिया। उन्होंने जितने लोग ये ड्रग्स में हिप्पी वेव था वो सबसे बचाया उन्होंने पाश्चिमात्य देशों। वहाँ से लोगों को ध्यान में, योगा में लगाया था। मगर उसके बाद भी जब वो उड़ान वगैरह का बात करने लगे तो लोग फिर और डर गए। तो फिर वापस उसका पूर्वाग्रह से फिर से लोग पीड़ित हो गए थे। फिर 1980 के आसपास फिर धीरे धीरे लोग इसमें रुचि लेने लगे। अब कई योगा स्कूल बाद में आए। अब चल के 152 देशों में लोग अभी सीख रहे हैं, अभ्यास कर रहे हैं, आनंद मना रहे हैं। लाखों में आनंद ले रहे। हमारे हजारों टीचर हैं जगह जगह। अब ये अच्छा हुआ हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी के पहल से संयुक्त राष्ट्र ने सबसे लंबा जो दिन है साल में 21 जून को योगा डे करके डिक्लेयर किया है। The longest day has been declared as the yoga day by the United Nations, and I welcome that their decision, and we all welcome this step of giving recognition to an ancient knowledge. एक हमारे पुरातन विद्या को एक विद्या की एक सम्मान समझता हूँ, इसको पहचान किया गया है, ये अच्छी बात है, मगर काफ़ी नहीं है। सिर्फ एक दिन घोषित कर देने से काफ़ी नहीं है, क्योंकि बहुत से दिन है, एड्स डे है, क्या कुछ डायबिटीज़ डे है, कैंसर डे है, डायबिटीज़ डे, इस तरह से योगा डे भी हो जाए, इससे नहीं चलेगा काम। इसका फ़ायदा लोगों को होना चाहिए, और घर घर तक जितने सेलफोन है उतना कम से कम उतने जगह पर ध्यान पहुंच जाना चाहिए। I usually say, like dental hygiene, you need mental hygiene. And meditation is the mental hygiene. So just imagine someone doesn't brush their teeth. You can't sit next to them. I don't know whether they can tolerate themselves. But of course, person sitting to them will have a problem. The same way, mental hygiene is essential. Today, so many kids are getting into schizophrenia. हम लोग कभी सुने नहीं इस तरह की बाइपोलर, स्किज़ोफ्रेनिया, सब सुना है क्या आप लोगों ने? यहाँ जो 40 साल से ऊपर के लोग बैठे हैं, मैं उनसे पूछ रहा हूँ, हम लोग कभी नहीं सुने थे। अभी हाल ही में 10 साल के अंदर, 10 साल भी नहीं, 5-6 साल में इतना स्किज़ोफ्रेनिक केसेस सुन रहे हैं। अच्छे अच्छे ब्राइट लड़कों में ये समस्या शुरू, लड़कियों में ये समस्या शुरू, बाइपोलर, स्किज़ोफ्रेनिया। मन के ऊपर जितना दबाव अधिक पड़ता है उतना ही इस तरह की बीमारियां बनने लगती है। इसलिए चाहे कैंसर हो, चाहे मानसिक बीमारी हो, इन सब से बचने के लिए अब कह रहे हिंदुस्तान दुनिया के डायबिटीज़ कैपिटल बने जा रहा है। डायबिटीज़ कैपिटल बनने जा रहा है, हम सबको इसको रोकना ज़रूरी है। क्या सही है ना? सही है ना? तो उसके लिए हम सबको ध्यान, प्राणायाम, योग, इन सब का घर घर तक पहुंचाना आवश्यक है। Already mentioned. So intuition working, some inner connection is there, right?
Dearest Guruji, why do we try to judge people in the first look or appearance? And how do we control ourselves before forming an opinion about others?
I think I have answered this already. Yeah. With diabetes, one more thing, you know, the ancient, our people in the traditionally they used to say, grandmothers, Anna Shuddhi. In South India, when you put rice on your plate, you are not supposed to eat till they put a drop of ghee on top of it. That's it, they are purifying the rice. That's Anna Shuddhi. You know, in weddings, in all these places, what do they put? The banana leaf, they serve all the food, and then on top of it, finally, a person will come with a cup with little ghee and put ghee on every leaf on top of the rice. That means now it is purified, now it's fit to eat. Then you have to say the prayer and start eating. You know, this is such a scientific aspect to this. If the rice has a little ghee on it, it becomes a complex carbohydrate. It doesn't immediately become sugar. So, it doesn't shoot your blood sugar high. So it slows down the digestion of it and slows down. So that's why they said Anna Shuddhi. You put little ghee on top of it. A whole generation passed by thinking butter is very bad for them. But you must have seen in the Time magazine few months ago, the cover story was butter is good for you. Which Ayurvedic doctors have been telling all the time. Our doctors here in Ayurveda used to say, you should have little butter. Butter is good for heart problem, heart disease. Now allopathy is also saying butter has vitamin K, it can prevent heart disease. Ghee and butter is good for you, not as bad as it was thought. They say margarine is good, margarine. Margarine doesn't melt in your hand. But butter you keep in your hand, doesn't it melt? It melts. So butter is far better than margarine. These are all wrong, I would say scientific superstitions that was promoted, which has spoiled the health of millions of people around the globe. Yeah. Not that I don't mean that you should eat a lot of butter. Just half a spoon, 1 spoon of ghee is good. Diabetic, if you have diabetes, you must take a little ghee. 1 spoon of ghee. Haldi is very good for you.
Guruji, is it still good to do seva if one is doing seva either by force, without any interest, or by looking to see benefit out of it?
See, just do seva. Don't analyze it and analyze too much. Where is the time to analyze whether I am doing it for ego or not ego? Forget about it. Never mind. Be natural. Just do what you want to do. Whatever you can do. And you are doing, if it helps somebody, and that much is good. Others are happy about it.
Guruji, I have heard as good increases, evil also increases as well. But I have also heard the universe maintains the equilibrium of positivity and negativity. What is the difference?
If good increases, evil also increases. That means if both doors are closed, both doors are open. These logics doesn't work, my dear. If it's very bright, it is dark. No. Where there is light, there is no darkness. Okay. And if the universe want to maintain, let it maintain. Yeah, there is some ISIS working, creating havoc in some part of the world. First of all, take out this label, I have a dual personality. Who told you you have a dual personality? Come on. Your personality should be multifaceted. Okay? If someone says you have dual personality, you tell them, no, I have multifaceted personality. So you put your effort. You should put your 100% effort in whatever you are doing and leave the rest to God. Okay? That's what we need. You want to make friend with somebody and they don't want to be friendly with you. Someone doesn't want to be with anybody. just go and talk to him. No, he's talking about someone else, right? You talk to somebody and they ignore you. He doesn't respect you. Right? What to do? Nothing, just make fun of him. Okay?
Sorry, Noel.
See, any communication is okay. If he's not talking to you, make some fun of him. He get angry. But stay a little away and watch his being angry with a big smile. Got it? Okay. What is more important? Okay, tell me, what is more important while watching television? Hearing or seeing? Got it? What? How to make children, make them importance of, yeah, I know all that. This is a question of many mothers and many fathers worried more about the children, right? It's natural. You just pick up, there is a book, Know Your Child and Know Your Teens. Okay? No. Wait a minute. When we got independence, 1947, we had 120 crore cattle and 30 crores human beings. Today, we have only 20 crore cattle and 125 crore people. We have just reversed. So don't think that cattle population has increased. Yeah? Get your statistics correct. Of course, I'm not for all those leather and other industry to grow. They need not grow that way. Okay?